2015 Tier 1 Asia, full case PYT number 75. Top spot gets the final NT promo entry. 5, 3, and a deuce. What's lies, Joe? Joe, what's lies? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Savage! Nasty Roger! 5 times. T-Bone. No, I mean, do you want to bet me, Joe? I mean, I'll wager. If I show you that many, you have to buy me one. If I can't show you that many tomorrow, then I'll buy you one. Sound good, Joe? T-Bone, please tell me you've been looking at Allen Iverson 96-97 Topps Chrome Rookie Refractor PSA 9s. Oh, wait. That's right. You haven't because they're nowhere to be found. No, Joe. Are you kidding me? You crazy, Joe. I work just for you, Joe. I work just for you. Yeah, no thanks. I probably passed over that one 7,000 times. Yeah, T-Bone. Yes, I did. He's a beast, dude. I've been telling you that he's been a beast for many, many moons. I don't believe you, Joe. Joe, you can buy one on eBay right now for like $850. Why would you pay me $900? I mean, if you want to pay me $900 for one right now, no problem, Joe. Uh-oh. Fellas? Are you kidding me? No way! Oh, you'll see, Matt. You'll see. This is like, how do you piss off a bunch of old ladies? You yell bingo. How do you piss off a bunch of dudes? You don't show them a piece of cardboard. On a scale of 13 to 63, how big is this card? 69. You guys want to see it right now or last? Do you want to see it right now or do you want to see it last? It's big, fellas. It's big. I like your style, Rojo. But I have a feeling we're outnumbered. Last team purchased. Roger, you disappoint me, sir. I sent you an IM on the other side to let you know that you had it before anybody, and now I see that you're not there. Savage. Savage. Yeah, then he loses it. He loses it. Wow. I mean, does the rest of the break matter at this point? Can we just touch this for a while? Touch the wood? Wow. 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 Freaking wow, man. Unfreaking believable. Nice hit, dude. Wow. I've now pulled Ted Williams out of this stuff. Clemente. Who was the other two Hall of Famers I pulled? God, I can't remember. Alex Cobb to 299 and Koji Yahara to 299. Holy smokes, that's a sweet card, dude. Asia exclusive Alex Cobb. Back-to-back Asia exclusive Andre Dawson. And number 399, CC Sabathia. Did I lick it? No, I didn't lick it. No, I did not lick it. Wow. That just happened. Oh. I was about to say, if we had another one. I think I actually did. Over in Taiwan, I hit 2 in one case. To 299, Oberholzer, excuse me, Tokyo. What's up, Trevor? Hanley Ramirez, number 99. And number 50, Shin Shu Chu. Doobie, doobie, doo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118 Number to 399, CJ Cron. Number to 50, Adrian Gonzalez. Number to 99, Rick Farrell. And number to 399, Shelby Miller. Marcus Stroman, number to 399. Oh, that's what it was. I pulled the Roberto Clemente cut auto out of this stuff, too. The Clemente cut auto, the Ted Williams knob, the Clemente knob now. Scrumptious. Asia exclusive. Number to 5, Luis Gonzalez. And number to 399, Xander Bogaerts. I want to say 39. Josh Harrison, number to 299. Number to 149, Dennis Eckersley. And to 399, Strasburg. I keep telling you guys that the Asia exclusive tier 1s are freaking absolutely loaded. There's got big hits in there. Think about it. They want everybody over there collecting. Sauce them up with some monsters, you know. To 25, Matt Carpenter. To 299, El Duque. Mike Trout, number to 50. And to 399, Jose Fernandez. I'm in love with a stripper. Jonathan Scope, number to 299. Brandon Moss, number to 399. Number to 175, Andrew McCutcheon. That's how they import it. And Giancarlo to 399. Rojo, that is exactly not what I am suggesting. What I am simply suggesting is I plead the fifth. Anthony Renato, number to 399. To 399, Chris Johnson. There's another one in the store, baby. To 99, Jim Bunning. No, there's barrels in this too, Joe. Three more packs to go. Kevin Gossman, number to 299. Fernando Valenzuela, number to 25. And to 199, Andre the Hawk Dawson. Guys, who has a better autograph? Andre Dawson, Randy Johnson, or Ken Griffey Jr.? Jared Kozar, number to 399. Rocket, number to 30. And number to 399, Justin Verlander. I can't believe that I'm the only person putting Andre Dawson's into consideration at the top. Ooh, Mariano Rivera is definitely up there. Oh, I see what you did there, Johnny. I see what you did there. Starling Marte, number to 225 for the Pirates. Number to 25, Juan Marichal. He's got a nice stash. And 399, Adrian Gonzalez. I'm in love with the stripper. And that, my friends, was the break that yielded the Roberto Clemente 1/1 bat barrel. Excuse me, knob. Disgusting. Congrats, Roger. Thank you all. Appreciate it, fellas.